Hi, hi. This is Veera Reddy, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will demonstrate about what is escape sequences and what is verbatim literals. Yeah, basically, every C# program is having the basic structure like this. Using firstly, like writing using system. This is the namespace. I have already told that. And the class name is like whatever you want, you can take class name. After that we can write the main method. Every program in the C sharp is starts with in the main method only. We are having the basically we are having the, for suppose taken one data type like string, like name is equal to Veera. We will take Veera. We will take Veera. Like you can print this Veera. You can show this Veera in the console. You can write like console dot write line of name. Sorry for that, guys. C sharp is don't take uh, you can whatever you can type the data type variable name. You can must and should the same name. Don't using the any other names. You not taking that name and this name is different. So you can get the output Veera. You can press Ctrl F5. Yeah, seen the output in command prompt. Wait and see, it's built now. Yeah, we got the output Veera. But if you want to add the double quotes in this Veera, how can we add that? Here we are having the here we are C sharp introduced Microsoft introduced the escape sequences. How can we use the escape sequences? You can use / double quotes using the double quotes. Using like this, you can got the output right now. Veera. Oh, you can got this one. Then you can got this one. After that we can show. Yeah, after that if you want to print the if you want to print the string names and line by line, you can use the another escape sequence was there. Like you can go to this Google and search the escape sequences in Microsoft DOS. Microsoft DOS is the website for the C sharp. You can use the new line. You can use the /n. Yeah, I will I will show how to print the line by line. if you having the print the line by line, you can for suppose 1/n and using 2/n. Every line of the code in the C sharp must and should ends with the semicolon. And press Control F5. We got the output, right, and see it's built now. It's not the black slash, I think so. Wait guys, sorry for that. This is the black slash, I think so. What's the problem? Control F5. Yeah, sorry for that guys. This is the black slash. We can use the black slash like this. I can sorry for that. I can use another one. This is these are the escape sequences. You can print the line by line. You can use the black slash n. You can use the another types also. If you whatever you want, you can use these escape sequences. You can easily print the whatever requirement of your project. Yeah, this is the escape sequences. Here we are having the verbatim literals. What is verbatim literal? Verbatim literals makes escape sequences translate as a normal printable characters. 2. Inherent readability. Like these verbatim literals are used for the to remove the escape sequence. You can using the escape sequences in your code. That is a better readability of these escape sequences to the normal printable characters. So don't bother about that guys. I will tell what is the verbatim literal also. For suppose we are having this C sharp slash 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 0 backslash slash ready backslash slash. If you want to print here what your expected output, please if you know the please comment below. I will check. I will tell what is the output. I will show in as a comment prompt. Yeah, wait and see. Yeah, we are using like zoom. I will zoom and show you. We are using the 2 backslashes, but we got the only one backslash. What happened guys? These are the escape sequences. This is not a better readability of the end users. So that's the reason here the C# and Microsoft was introduced the verbatim literals. In verbatim literals are used for the better readability of the code whatever we write. First let's check and you can use this @ symbol in front of your string type. Whatever you can try using the escape sequences in front of the code, we can using the @ symbol. You can get the total whatever you can write inside the string. You got the don't escape the only one escape sequences. Print the all this. Control F5. Please press the Control F5. Yeah, you can got this one. This is the main difference between escape sequences and verbatim literals. I think so. This is enough guys. This is the mainly escape sequences. Why are you using the escape sequences and why are you using the verbatim literals in our project? I will tell step by step manner. Next section I will tell what is the comments, what type of comments are there in C#. why are using comments also I will tell. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.